6.64 heavy-duty waterproof solar male-female connector to DC 5.5mm x 2.1mm solar panel adapter cable for charging power station, solar generator and rechargeable battery pack. Universal for all solar panels with MC4 connectors, upgraded to extra long 2 meters 6.6 feet, which is great for conveniently positioning your solar gear. Maximum current rating 5A. One end is female and male solar connectors. The other end is DC 5521 connector minus 5.5mm x 2.1mm, outer diameter 5.5mm, inner diameter 2.1mm, heavy duty. Specially engineered for outdoor harsh environment. Strong anti-aging waterproof casing with premium quality copper wires. Use this cable to connect solar panels to your portable solar generator or power station and charge them with solar power. 3-year manufacturer warranty. Lifetime friendly after-sales support. Note, this cable's male solar connector needs to be connected to negative end from solar panel and female to positive. Switch the polarity. Cutting splicing may be required. If it doesn't charge your device, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.